Somewhere between misty mountains and ancient jungle trails, there's a place where nature breathes in its purest form. A world untouched by time, where every rustling leaf, every call of a distant bird, reminds us of how wild and wonderful the earth can be. Welcome to Cuc Phuong National Park, Vietnam's first and most iconic national park. A lush paradise of towering trees, exotic wildlife, and rich history awaits those who seek to reconnect with nature. Spanning the provinces of Ninh Binh, Hoa Binh, and Thanh Hoa, Cuc Phuong is a biodiversity sanctuary. With dense tropical rainforests and rare species, this UNESCO-recognized treasure has been named Asia's leading national park for 5 consecutive years. Step into this vibrant world and explore a living museum of ancient trees, some millions of years old. These towering giants hold stories of the past and offer shade to countless creatures that call this forest home. Every corner of Cuc Phuong invites you to slow down and reconnect with nature and with yourself. Whether it's a peaceful walk among ancient trees or a night spent in a Muong homestay, this is more than a destination. It's an experience. One of the highlights is trekking through the heart of the jungle, whether on a short 6-kilometer trail to the legendary 1,000-year-old tree, or challenging yourself on a 16-kilometer journey to a Muong ethnic village, each step brings discovery. Are you prepared to dive into Vietnam's most captivating rainforest? Explore, discover, unwind, and find inspiration. Cuc Phuong National Park is ready for you. Book your unforgettable adventure with Isator today. Expert guides, immersive itineraries, and nature at its finest are all just a click away.